Merlin here. Well, it was an old rusted up piece of steel shafting and a rusted up bearing that I pressed out, but I have now got the shaft cut to the taper where the drive pulley fits on it, and on the other side I've got it to where it fits the other bushing here that goes into this big pulley. And what the plan is the clutch piece here that bolts to the back of the engine. What my plan is I'm going to take this big pulley and turn it down to where it will fit inside that opening there. Had a precision fit. That'll center the shaft, and then either bolt this pulley on or have it welded in. But anyway, that's how we're going to be connecting the drive shaft output to the BMW engine. It's not the prettiest lathe job because it was pretty tedious to get it tapered, but it's there. It's tapered. It's going to tighten down. All I'm going to have to do is drill a hole in the end of the shaft and tap it for a bolt, and the drive shaft output shaft will be finished. Thanks for watching.